Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we learn easy and essential proverbs with Pashto Meaning. Let's start it. Practice make a perfect man. Practice make a perfect man. تمرین انسان کامل کوي. Never give up. Never give up. هیڅ کله مه تسلیمیږه. Health is wealth. Health is wealth. روغتیا شتمني ده. United you stand, divided you fall. United you stand, divided you fall. یووالی بریا ده، بیلتون ماتي ده. Learn from your mistake. Learn from your mistake. د خپلو تېروتنو زده کړه وکړه. Don't judge a book by its cover. Don't judge a book by its cover. انسان د ظاهري بڼې څخه مه قضاوت کوه. No pain, no gain. No pain, no gain. بې زحمت راحت نشته. Better late than never. Better late than never. ناوخته کول د هیڅ کولو غوره دي. Think before you act. Think before you act. Knowledge is power. Knowledge is power. علم ځواک دی. Honesty is the best policy. Honesty is the best policy. رښتینولي تر ټولو غوره لار ده. Slow and steady wins the race. Slow and steady wins the race. ورو او دوامداره کار بریا راوړي. One step at a time. One step at a time. یو ګام په یو وخت واخله. Dream big, work hard. Dream big, work hard. لوی خوبونه ولره او سخت کار وکړه. A big beginning makes a good ending. A good beginning makes a good ending. ښه پیل لري. I hope you got something with this video. Please like, share and subscribe my channel. Allah Hafiz.